The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, Denver County in northeastern Colorado, west central Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, until 9:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Englewood, or 9 miles south of Denver, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Englewood, Denver, Commerce City, Irondale, and Western Aurora. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.